I think this is what I can do today at the most. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a first impressions video. I haven't done a first impressions video in a pretty long time. So today I thought I was going to do one for you guys. So I was like, let's try the Shake and Shot rubber mask, which will be interesting. It's by Dr.Jart. I don't know what to call it. So anyways, I spotted this rubber brightening mask at Sephora when I was back traveling to the US, and it just caught my eye and I was like, you know what, let me just buy it, and then I completely forgot about it. This retails for $12, so like one single thing is for $12, and I love how cool this is. It's so quirky. So yeah. Alright, I'm opening the seal. So I have absolutely nothing on my face right now. You guys can pretty much see all the scars and everything. I woke up, I washed my face, I haven't even moisturized. All the steps, I'm going to read it real quick and then get to it. So I'm supposed to mix it in this cup, and then I think this is a spatula to mix it with. So I'm going to open the two sachets and just pour it in the cup. Put the lid on, shake, shake, and with the spatula, put it on my face and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. And then peel it off. I'm going to obviously show you guys on camera. So yeah, let's get started. Before we get right into the video, just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel somewhere below me. And also hit the bell icon right next to it so you're notified every time I upload a video. Let's get into it. That's what the spatula looks like. And there you go. Has two sachets, so one is very watery and liquidy, so it's a rubber brightening mask, and then the other one is Shake and Shot rubber mask. Okay. Oh, it's very, I don't know, gooey. So this is gonna go in the cup. Use a damn scissor and just cut it off. Okay, now it's asked me to put the lid back on, hold them out, and just shake. It's like I'm making a cocktail. I could feel like the consistency getting thicker and thicker inside, like as you shake it. So it turns a little goopy. Let's just open it. Okay, yeah, definitely a little goopy.
Well, it's been the longest day. You wish you could hit erase, but you aren't lucky that way. Oh no, nobody's lucky that way. But I want you to stop where you are. I want you to hear your heart, 'cause that's how you stay on par. Oh yeah, no need to raise the bar when you're feeling low. Oh, you gotta breathe.
Just gonna evenly distribute it all over my face. And I don't think you can reuse this. You're just supposed to use it once. Like, use the whole mixture just once. You're not supposed to save it and like use it again. Since it's a rubber mask, I'm just going under my eyes. I mean, it's not going to be really harsh or pulling my skin in any way, so it is 12:04, so I am supposed to keep this on for 15 to 20 minutes. So at like 12:20 or 12:25, I'm gonna wash this or peel this. I'm really hoping for some brightening miracle to happen, by the way. It's freaking construction just never stops. Whoever lives on the top floor above my building needs to die. So now this is pretty dry, you can see. It feels very hydrating, actually. Feels like it's cooling my skin. Now let's get to peeling. So it also feels like my face has been dipped into cake. You can't can't finish the entire mask at once, just on one face. So just make sure you put it on your sister or your mother. But it's just good for 2 faces. I'm pretty sure it's not going to cover 3. And whatever is left, you can just go wash your face. My first impression and thoughts on this is that it is a really cool DIY mask. I feel like it is worth your $12 because my skin feels very hydrated actually, and fresh. I mean, I don't know how to explain it, because when I woke up I was feeling dry. I was feeling my skin was looking very dull. It is infused with some like beautiful, nourishing, hydrating oils, and I think that is definitely working on my skin. It can be used on 2 faces. You cannot store it. So yeah, cannot be used more than once. I really like it. I give it total thumbs up. If you guys do want to try this out, buy it from the Sephora website. They're always available in store or on their website. So yeah, Dr.Jart Shake and Shot brightening mask is a full thumbs up for that quick, cool fix. When you have that extra time, you want to sit and mix the 2 sachets and create your own little concussion and put this little guy on your face. It's really cool. So yeah, my face really feels hydrated. I'm not kidding. I don't know if you guys can see it or tell that it is, but I can, and I really like it. Alright, so that was all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!